Good morning, good morning. Last night I needed something to do with my hands again. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well on this day. I wanted you to see what I did with my hair. There are some ends that I really don't like, but I have to put rubber bands on it to make it stay. When I get to the salon, I think I'm just going to add a little bit of mousse on the ends. Probably sit under the dryer for a little bit, and so that it will be set. But I like this look. What I did was I two-strand twist my hair, and then I banded the ends with some tiny rubber bands. It was pretty simple to do. I did not take a look at what it looks like, but here it is. I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to do my 360. And I really like the look. I'll wear it for a few days and then take it down. Yeah. I hope everybody had a wonderful Valentine's Day. Mine was pretty simple. My husband and I went out to eat, and I'll show you some pictures from that. But thank you, subscribers. Thank you so much for still hanging in there with me. Yeah, I'm pretty much boxed in my house right now, and I'll show you a little bit of that too. I'm boxed in, and I'm going to try to show you my outfit of the day, even though I am boxed in. I'm getting my kitchen remodeled, and right now my house is a mess. The floor guy is coming in a few days, and then after that, they're going to come in and install my cabinets and then countertops, and we'll go from there. I am boxed in. And you've seen my 360. So this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God, because he's been so good to me. And if you think about it, because as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Think about the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. The wonderful things that he continues to do in your life, through your life, and in spite of your life. Now I'm going to show you how I'm boxed in, and I'm also going to show you what I'm wearing today. See you in a little bit. If you're paying attention, you'll notice that I have a table in my living room, microwave in my living room, my kettle to warm my water for tea is It's also in my living room, and there's even more things behind it. I am boxed in, and I'm going to show you a little bit more. That's my husband's recliner that's usually over here. And those are the boxes that's keeping us from going out of the front door. Pretty much we're in a safety hazard zone. As I leave out of this room to move to go to my dining room, which is now non-existent. This is my refrigerator. These are all the boxes that are there. So I walk through this little area to go down to my bedroom. And this is my kitchen area, guys. And my husband has made a little coffee station there. Yeah, we got quite a mess, but it won't always be that way. I'm gonna also show you some outfits that I've been wearing before I got boxed in. Pray for me as we go through these renovations.